Hey guys, it's Renox here. Now today we are going to do a subscriber kind of community comment. So Wisconsin and Northwestern Railroad, shout out to you. There's your first thing done. So guys, just check out his channel please, just subscribe. I appreciate if you did guys. He said try and make historical ships. Now this is when the video I said I need some inspiration of what to do next. Now I've gone and made the US Boggs. Now I believe that's how you pronounce it guys, don't take my word for it. Just research it if you want. Okay, so it's not exactly accurate because, well, let's have a look at the stats compared to what my stats are. Now the cost of it was blimmin' expensive, nearly 2.5 million. Okay, so its length was 314 foot, 5 inches. What is 96 meters? So the game goes by 5 meters, and the beam, what is across, is 10 meters. Okay, so the draft is 9 feet and or 2.7 meters. The speed is 35 knots. Now the problem is the weaponry that they have, so the 100 mil, 76 mil, 21 inch torpedo tube, we don't actually have those in the game. What's really annoying, because I can't make exactly accurate ships to what you guys want. Now this was just a quick ship because well, I just felt like it. I was just like, you know what, let's do it. Let's just take that idea and actually make something. So let's just check it out. So this is what as much as I've taken it from. The problem is the beam is 20 meters, because if it was 10 meters it would only be where that gun is, the yellow box across. So only 2. Now let's try it. Okay, so sorry about this guys. New ship, free design. Okay, so if it was 95 meters long. Okay, so I'm going to quickly just make it just to prove to you guys how difficult it is to maneuver this ship when the ship in real life was actually really good. Okay, we are at a length of 65. We need to go to 90. We'll go to 95. That's how long the ship is. Okay. If I can blimmin' zoom in these days. Okay, so we're going to remove the flipping front. Now we're going to stick that in. Don't know why I should have just left it at the back. Okay, so we're just going to put some random hull in, just to prove to you guys how difficult it is to maneuver this ship if I make it like this. Okay, so now we just have the hull. Okay, guys, so I'm just going to leave it as well. Okay, we'll try and put a propeller in. I don't know if could you put that in the center? No, you can't. Okay, so we'll have to have 2 propellers and 1 rudder. I don't get why you can move. Okay, I don't get why you can have the rudder in the middle when you test it out, but you can't have the propellers in the middle. Now the stability of this is shocking. If you let's put it to the speed of what it is actually in the wall. Now it should be going 35 knots. I wouldn't be able to get exactly at 35 knots because, well, it's really difficult to try and get accurate. Now, if it was exactly like that, guys, when they tried to turn the ship, so 45 degrees, sorry, 90 degrees, where the hell did I get 45 degrees? It would sink. So that is not possible. So, if I can let me click a button these days. So I just wanted to prove to you guys that it is pretty hard to get it exactly accurate to what it was. So I've made it as accurate as possible, but as stable as possible. I've tried to keep the main design, so it has the boats. Okay, remove the bridge then. It had a very large back because that's where most of the fuel containers will be held. Sorry. I tried to get the bridge design and the mast, and well, I was sticking a big engine on it, but it was going a bit too fast, so I've stuck a smaller engine on it to make it go near enough the same speed as the US Boggs. Now, thank you for putting that out. I'm now going to try and do more videos of where I actually do this. So I will be spending a ton of money trying to build all these ships. But it's worth it. If you guys enjoy it, I enjoy it. I enjoy making them. So I appreciate that. So now that's the US Boggs. That has a 200mm light armor base. For a bit of armor. It has the heart of deck plate in, and it has a ballast, and then heavy ballast. Oh, good. Did I get correct? Yeah. And it has a heavy ballast at the front. So, all in all, it's a pretty good ship. It's only 37% capacity. That's pretty weird. And that's not a very big ship. So guys, I'm going to end it there today. Just a quick video. Well, it's not really quick, is it? It's actually pretty much more detailed than what I planned to put it as. Now, if you do like all these videos of historic ships, I do appreciate if you just leave a comment, like and subscribe to the video. Put the bell notification on to see if you want to see any more of these historic ships. And I'm just blabbing on now about random rubbish. So I'm going to end it there today, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you appreciate my designing, and just leave a comment below. See you guys. Bye.